Bomb Undercover, a game where you trust your friends until it blows up in your face. Let's see how that goes. Bomb Undercover is a social deduction game where players are secretly split into teams trying to either defuse a bomb or make it explode. Simple objective, but not a simple task. You have the blue team trying to defuse the bomb, the red team trying to make it explode, and the shadow, who wins if the bomb explodes or if he ends up alone. Each round, you choose a player and cut one of their wires. Find all the safe wires, you win. Hit the bomb, everyone on the blue team loses. The problem is, you don't know who's on your team, and everyone sounds convincing. You will look at someone, trust them, and immediately regret it. You shouldn't have. This game works because it forces decision with no information. You're not solving anything. You're guessing who sounds the least suspicious, and somehow that becomes your strategy. Playing Bomb Undercover feels like being in a group where everyone is lying, and you still have to pick someone. You will hear things like, "Trust me," "Don't." You hit the bomb, and now everyone is looking at you. You were the shadow, so you win. It's easy to understand, and it creates tension instantly. Every single round. No safety. Just bad decisions. It's like being on a hike and having to choose a path with no idea where it leads, hoping you're right. You're not. It can feel random. Sometimes you lose instantly, and there was nothing you could do. And if your group doesn't talk, this game will blows. Bomb Undercover gets 7.5 broken wires out of 10. It's easy, it's tense, and it proves one thing. People will sound convincing, even when they have no idea what they're doing. If you like social deduction game, this one works. If you don't trust your friends, this will confirm it. Alright, if you like this review, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more honest board game review, and tell me in the comment, how many times did it blow up in your face? See you next time.